Unlocking innovation, Midjourney V6 heralds a revolution in image creation, bridging artistry and cutting-edge AI technology. Welcome back! Today, we're diving into the electrifying world of Midjourney V6. Anticipation is high as rumors swirl around the corner, hinting at groundbreaking features that could reshape image generation. From higher resolutions to dynamic video creation, this AI-powered platform is on the verge of unleashing a new wave of creativity. Join us as we unravel the excitement surrounding Midjourney's highly anticipated upgrade. So, without further ado, let's start. The buzz around Midjourney V6. Midjourney V6 has set the creative community ablaze with anticipation and speculation. Hot on the heels of the recent V5 release, talk of V6 has sparked a fervent buzz among enthusiasts and professionals alike. Leaked insights and hints about its imminent arrival have fueled excitement, promising groundbreaking advancements in image generation technology. This next iteration isn't just an incremental upgrade, it's poised to be a game-changer. Whispers suggest an unprecedented resolution boost, potentially doubling image clarity and detail to an impressive 2048 x 2048 pixels. Moreover, a revamped natural language processing system is rumored, promising a deeper understanding of text prompts and yielding more lifelike, precise image outputs. The excitement amplifies with talks of enhanced user control, offering the possibility of nuanced customization over image variants, potentially from subtle details to broader aesthetics. Amidst these rumors, the prospect of 3D model generation and even venturing into video creation has enthusiasts at the edge of their seats. If these whispers hold true, Midjourney V6 stands to redefine the standard for AI-driven content creation tools. The community buzzes with anticipation, eagerly awaiting a release that promises to unlock new dimensions of creativity and innovation. Midjourney V6 looms on the horizon, heralding a potential paradigm shift in the digital art landscape. Midjourney V6 release date. While the specific date for Midjourney V6's launch remains shrouded in secrecy, industry insiders and enthusiasts anticipate its arrival within the upcoming months. The buzz surrounding this release suggests an imminent unveiling, promising a wealth of innovative features. However, the exact timeline remains elusive, subject to the intricacies of development and testing. As the community eagerly awaits this milestone, the advice echoes, stay tuned to Midjourney's official channels for any breaking news. Official announcements regarding the release date are expected to surface there, offering enthusiasts the much-awaited clarity on when they can experience the next chapter in AI-driven image generation. With excitement mounting and expectations soaring high, the anticipation for Midjourney V6's release intensifies, promising a transformative leap in the realm of creative expression. Expected features of Midjourney V6. Let's delve into the anticipated features. Higher image resolution. Imagine crisper, more detailed images. V6 promises a resolution upgrade to 2048 x 2048 pixels, doubling the current capacity. This enhancement will make your generated images even more versatile across various platforms. Smarter natural language processing. Say goodbye to the comma-separated commands of the past. V6's refined natural language processing will understand your prompts better, crafting more precise and realistic images based on your descriptions. More control over variations. A speculated enhancement in V6 is greater customization of image variants. Users may wield more control over the quantity and specific attributes of the generated images, allowing for a finer level of detail manipulation. 3D models. Perhaps one of the most anticipated additions is the rumored inclusion of 3D model generation. This would be a game-changer, enabling users to create lifelike three-dimensional objects effortlessly. Improved hand generation. Expect enhancements in hand-drawn graphics, offering a higher level of realism and creativity in the generated artwork. Minute details like stroke breadth and individual finger nuances might become more lifelike. Video generation. Brace yourselves for a revolutionary leap into video creation. V6 might usher in the capability to produce dynamic, lifelike films, unlocking a whole new realm of storytelling. Why you should be excited. Midjourney V6 isn't just another update. It's a transformative leap forward in AI-driven image generation. Imagine unlocking a treasure trove of possibilities. higher quality images with unprecedented levels of detail and realism. With V6, expressing your ideas becomes effortless and natural through text prompts, thanks to improved natural language processing. The introduction of 3D models and rumored forays into video creation catapult Midjourney beyond static imagery, opening avenues for dynamic storytelling and immersive experiences. This update promises a smoother, faster interface, ensuring a seamless creative journey for beginners and seasoned users alike. Whether you're an artist, designer, or hobbyist, V6 offers a playground of exploration. It's a canvas for innovation, allowing you to experiment with diverse models, styles, and settings. Midjourney V6 isn't just an update, it's a catalyst for unbridled creativity, promising to inspire and empower users to achieve their artistic aspirations in ways previously unimaginable. Preparing for Midjourney V6. Excitement brews as the launch of Midjourney V6 looms on the horizon. To make the most of this game-changing update upon its release, consider these steps. Firstly, ensure you have a Midjourney account. If you haven't signed up yet, creating an account is simple and free. Additionally, explore the possibility of a trial for the premium plan, unlocking more features for your creative endeavors. Secondly, familiarize yourself with the current version of Midjourney. Delve into its documentation or join the active Discord community. Engaging with tutorials, guides, and other users' experiences will refine your skills and acquaint you with the platform's functionalities. Lastly, experiment and play around with different prompts and models available in the current version. This hands-on exploration will prepare you for the anticipated changes in V6, allowing you to adapt swiftly and maximize your creative potential upon its release. Prepare to embark on an exhilarating journey of creativity with Midjourney V6. Midjourney V6, a new era of creativity. Midjourney V6 isn't just an update, it's a gateway to an unparalleled realm of creative possibilities. With each speculated feature, the anticipation for this revolutionary leap in AI-driven image generation surges. Imagine wielding a tool that elevates your artistry to unprecedented heights. From the promise of higher image resolutions to the whispers of 3D model generation and video creation capabilities, V6 is poised to redefine the boundaries of visual storytelling. This upcoming iteration isn't merely about upgrading existing features, it's about empowering creators. It's about offering finer control, enhancing realism, and fostering an environment where imagination knows no bounds. The amalgamation of cutting-edge technology and artistic ingenuity is on the horizon. Midjourney V6 represents a pivotal moment where AI and creativity converge, promising a new chapter in the evolution of digital artistry. Prepare to embrace a new era of creativity, a world where Midjourney V6 serves as the catalyst for innovation, inspiring artists to push beyond the imaginable and bring their visions to life. Midjourney V6 is on the horizon, packed with exciting features that will undoubtedly reshape the way we create visual content. Stay tuned for this groundbreaking update and be prepared to embark on a thrilling journey of creativity and innovation. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this glimpse into Midjourney V6's potential, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more exciting updates. Stay creative, stay inspired, and until next time, keep your eyes peeled for the latest in the world of AI-driven creativity.